Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is about tips for how you to wear your flare jeans and with the jumper together with the hat on. They look cool like this on me. Then if you try this color with this jumper together, it's gonna look cool. It's gonna look nice as well. And with the color kind of shoe, it look cool. It look amazing. It look dapper. You're gonna look cool if you style it this way because it looks nice on me. So I want you to style it as well. And again, there's two ways you can wear your flare jeans. Either you put it under your behind your lace, or you cover your shoe. Either you put it on top of your shoe or you cover your shoe. Which one do you think can look cool on you? Both look cool like this. I like it. It's a stylish way. So you can try which one do you think it look cool on you. But I want you to try the first one Monday, the second one Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Again, then you're gonna look cool. With the hat on, I like the way you look on me. Honestly, I like the vibe. Amazing, amazing. With the jumper as well, it look cool. It look awesome as well. Everything just look really nice and suit as well. With the hat on, I feel like I like it. The way he looking cool. The hat can go with the heavy outfit and it's gonna look cool. If you can try the hat, then you're gonna look cool. Me, I'm trying the hat because it look cool on me. So don't think about it won't look cool on you. It will definitely look cool on you. If it look cool on me like this, why not try it? Definitely it's gonna look cool on you because I believe if you try it, I'm giving you that confidence now. Like it's gonna go, it's gonna look good on you. You know why? Because you haven't tried it yet. If you try it the way I put it on now, you're gonna look cool. You're gonna look nice as well. With the jumper like this, you're gonna look cool. Put your ring on, your bracelet, your wristwatch. You're dapper, you're fresh, you're cool, you're looking nice. Look with the flare jeans as well. You're looking nice as well. It's not too baggy. At the bottom, it look cool. That is kind of straight as well. It's not too skinny, it's not too straight, so it look kind of cool. So the one again, you see, I pull the shoe, I pull it behind the lace, so it look cool in different way. Depend how you want to style it, but I want you to try the bolt. The bolt look cool. Either you use it to cover the shoe, the lace, or you pull behind the lace. It's gonna look cool. Honestly, I like the way he look. Amazing, cool, different vibe. See, it look cool. Again, I'm gonna change the shoe with the Air Force One. I'm using it with the K-Swiss with the K-Swiss shoe. Now I'm gonna use Air Force One because I know you have Air Force One over there, so you can try your Air Force One with the flare jeans and with the jumper as well. Then you're gonna looking really good. So let's try the Air Force One. Then you're gonna see like it's gonna looking really cool. Then you can choose which one do you think it really looking like nice more, because I believe the both looking cool to my opinion though. But your opinion, you can try it and see which one look cool with you. They will look nice, honestly. If you try them one by one, then you see that I think it look cool. Any shoe you have over there, just try it. It will look good. You see, I cover it. You see, I cover it with the Air Force One. Nice. Amazing. Amazing. Honestly, look cool. Nice. So you can try it and you're gonna look cool. You're gonna look nice. See the way you look. I like it. Which one do you think you like? The K-Swiss or the Air Force One? Which one do you think you look cool? I like the both. They both kind of nice vibe to it as well. Nice, cool. You can do it. So the tips I'm giving you now, you can wear your flare with the K-Swiss and with the Air Force One and with the jumper and with the hat on, and you're looking dapper, you're looking chill, you're looking nice. Honestly, amazing. With the jumper, it's just nice, it's just cool and cozy as well. Don't forget, if you have your necklace, your pearls, wherever you go, the large one, your chip, the little one, Put it on, sample it on. You're gonna looking cool. You're gonna looking nice. Honestly, I'm giving you that confidence now because it look cool on me and I've been receiving compliment. So you need to join the club as well and be receiving a lot of compliment because if you style it the way I'm styling now, I guarantee you, again, I guarantee you, people will be giving you compliment. Honestly, people will be giving compliment that you look cool because I look cool like this. So you need to try it. That's why I'm giving you that tips. So how to style your jumper and the flare jeans and the Air Force One and the K-Swiss. Even though you don't have the two of the trainers, you have your own trainers there. Style it with your jeans, with your flare jeans and the jumper like this. Put the hats on, try something different. You're gonna looking cool, you're gonna looking awesome. I like the way he look. He looking nice on me. Why you not try it? If it's cool like this on me, definitely 100% you're gonna be amazing over there. So try it, then you're gonna be looking cool. And go to my comment section. Drop the comment. Let me know what do you think about this. Which one do you think? Go to my comment section, drop the comment. Let me know which one do you actually like. Which one do you think is looking cool, looking at? Which one do you think you can start and you're gonna looking cool on you? Check your wardrobe. Wherever you go there, try him the way I tried thee. Then you're gonna be looking cool and people will be complimenting you. Honestly, people will be complimenting you because I've been receiving a lot of compliment every day. So why you not join the club of the compliment people that they compliment you? So do that. Don't think about it's only me because God or something. No, you can do that. Just style it the way I'm styling right now. No matter who you are, try this. You're gonna looking cool. No matter who you are. If you try what I put on right now, you're gonna looking cool like me. Don't worry about me or you. Just try it the way I put it on right now. Then you're gonna looking awesome. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you beautiful people another day. Take care.